You're going to love the 2010 Chrysler Town & Country. With just over 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle proves competitive in its price class based on its condition and value. Chrysler prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by delay-off headlights, front dual-zone air conditioning, heated door mirrors, a power rear cargo door, remote keyless entry, removable floor console, and one-touch window functionality. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.